Okay, so if we want to use C3D WebXR beta version, so in order to navigate inside the website, we do it as a regular browser in our computer. We navigate to schoolxr.c3d.io. So once we are in the site, because I already joined this site, I'm not prompted to log in, but you will be prompted to log in. So once we have created the class and the project, we go to students section, and let's go with Pete. Let's go. We input his name, and we are in the Pete screen. So now let's go all the way down to see the projects, and we go into the Penguins project. Okay, so once we are in the world, we have a bunch of blocks that we've laid out as an example. They are basically creating random position penguins. They are all around the world. So we're creating 30. And the condition is we have here is when we point with the controller to one of the penguins and we press the trigger, it will trigger the animation that we have here, the animation blocks. So to go inside the VR world, we go into, we press this button, enter VR, and as you can see, we are already in the VR world. If we turn around, we can see penguins all around us. So when we point and press the trigger, if you see the laser turns red, it means that we are pointing at the object. So yeah, we can start triggering, as you can see. And yeah, so basically that's how it works, this new block, which uses the controllers from the Oculus Quest device. To exit the VR environment, we just press the Oculus button in either of the controllers, and we hit quit. And we are back to the browser, and we can keep modifying the code if we want.